Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dun 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 dun. The sniper trying to hit the helicopter.
I will shoot his helicopter down.
Assalamu alaikum and greetings. Ali Shanma here. I'm going to fly FW450 for more testing about flight times and if there are any glitches. That's part of the job, you know. When there's a new product, I have to do a lot of testing. So when I will be flying this, Arish will be doing this.
I will shoot his helicopter down.
Let's see if Arish will be able to shoot my FW450 GPS helicopter with his ASW Sniper.
AWM.
Oh, AWM is sniper rifle. Sorry for that. That is a big sniper rifle. It's taller than you, Arish.
No, it's not taller than me.
Okay, and it shoots that kind of bullets which are
Water bullets.
You know, they become big in the water. So let's see helicopter versus AWM and Arish. Safe distance from helicopter, please.
Okay.
More back. Okay, good. You missed already. Or did I chop your bullet? Okay, give you a big target right here. Oh, you got him. You got it. You actually got it. I saw the bullet going. Oh, you got the swash plate. Awesome. Okay, let's see if you can shoot the moving target. So I'll put it right here. Okay, and put it in a figure 8 flight. Look, I'm just holding the radio and Arish is trying to shoot a helicopter flying figure 8. You can come closer here at this angle and see if you can shoot or not. Ooh, it's right up overhead. Come back. Arish is trying to shoot. I think I will join him. Where's the other rifle?
We just take one.
Oh, you just took one. I thought we could take M249. That could have been awesome. We could just go bup, 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 bup. Call mommy to bring M249. How about it?
Okay.
Okay? Let's call mommy to bring M249. One moment. Let me call. Hello, mommy.
No.
Can you give us a favor? Can you bring us the M249 RC airport, please? We need it for a video. Okay, all right. Okay, so please deliver us an M249. Thank you. Okay, M249 is on the way. Then we will see how it goes. In the meantime, I'll try to cut the grass because, you know, this could go wrong. I mean, this could actually crash my helicopter. So Arish, stay farther, okay?
Yes, sir.
So we'll go up. Arish, stay behind Baba.
Oh, okay.
So higher. Nah, one moment. Let me say in GPS mode, higher. Now we are inverted. I'll bring it down slowly and control. Uh-oh, did we kill a butterfly? And here we go. Look at that. One moment. Here have some grass we can cut. Look at that! I'm actually cutting the grass right there. I chopped a good chunk. Oh, I heard that, Arish. Oh, that's enough grass cutting, man.
Oh, man. How much did I shoot it?
You actually got it 2-3 times.
Okay.
Okay, hold on. I'll put it in the circles here, okay?
What?
Come on. It's circling. See if you can shoot it.
Yes, sir.
Dun 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 dun. The sniper trying to hit the helicopter. I didn't see the bullet come out.
Ready?
Now, this is the time. Now. Now, it's right there, right? Shoot. Miss it. Try again. Look, you have bullets or not? You missed it. Okay, I'm gonna give him more chance to shoot helicopter right here. It's right there. It's right there in front of you. You missed it. Okay, it's in GPS. Now you shoot as much as you want. I think you have no more bullets left.
There you go. I have.
All right.
Maybe. Not too much. Just how much up.
All right, that's enough testing for this battery. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right there.